What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another little vlog. And for today's video, we're going to be installing some Amazon seat covers on the daily. As you guys can see, I kind of did it on the headboard there. I'm going to give you guys a rundown on how to install them and how good are these Amazon seat covers. How well are they? Are they a good bang for your buck? I partnered up with a company, great company. They reached out to me and they said if I want to do an installation, review of the product, and I said absolutely. The product looks amazing. The leather looks great. The material so far looks great. Let's see how they fit and let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so we're gonna open it right here. This is the back, this is the bottom part of it. This is where you're gonna be sitting. So these right here that are given to you are gonna go right here. These are gonna get hooked up, and these hooks are gonna go in the front there. They're gonna go on the bottom of the seat. Now, you want to be able to get on the bottom and clip these right here to the bottom of the seat. As you guys can see how they're clipped. And this is pretty much the whole seat cover. I got them with that diamond stitching, like that very nice stitching. And now we put the top over here, just like we did over there. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, guys, so I'm actually sitting on them. They look great. They feel great. The back part feels great. Like the whole bottom part feels great. The material is amazing. The leather is amazing. It has a nice design to it. And I think it pretty much matches the whole nice interior of the Infinity. I think it looks great because it is black. It is a very easy, manageable installation. You are going to take no longer than 2 minutes to do the front seat. Passenger side, driver's side is not going to take you no longer than like 10 minutes to do them both. It's anti-scratch. It's water repellent. It is great material. They do come with their directions, with their manual, so there's no way you're gonna get lost installing these. I think it is a great purchase that I picked up at Amazon. Not that I picked up, that I partnered up with this company, but I think it's a great purchase for anyone who's looking for seat covers, and they are available at Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Let's jump into some B-rolls and let's go ahead and do the passenger side. Alright, so this is the passenger side here. These are the instruction. It pretty much tells you what you need to do. It's super easy. Cannot get lost with this. This is your materials here, your accessories for you to hook them up to the seat. They look great.